little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Well, it's gonna be like a maintenance vlog, y'all. Just got my eyebrows done, got my toes done. I'll show you after because I'm walking to the car. I'm currently at the plaza right now, doing a little maintenance or whatever. But you know, if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, because this vlog gonna be lit. Well, not this vlog, the next vlog. This gonna be like a quick little mini maintenance vlog. Gotta get my hair done, my nails done. Tomorrow, my niece, shout out to Davita. She gonna do my wig like she always do. Last year she did my birthday wig. I was, you know, looking cute. My nails, I just got my feet done because I really wanted my feet scrubbed, because she don't do all that scrubbing, whatever. So I just got my feet done from the Ching Chong people. But yeah, y'all, how you like the eyebrows? I'm finally gonna take this damn wig off, child. I'm gonna go back to like a natural brown color. Let me see. Okay, it's not too bad, not too bad. So anyways, I'm gonna look cute tomorrow. Okay, so this vlog is gonna be about my hair, nails, and feet, like makeup and all that maintenance and whatever. It's gonna be like a little short vlog. Just anyways, just like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. So right now I'm at the plaza. Okay, I was jamming. Anyways, so I'm at the plaza. I'm about to go to Burlington to find some bathing suit for my trip next weekend. I gotta go buy some bathing suits, and I have to go to D's, Baby Dazel, and Ross. I don't know. I might go to Marshall's because Marshall's always got some good stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all boys. Let's go, Burlington. Turn. Y'all, this is real cute, y'all. Ooh, they got some stuff on sale too. It's like $7.99. Got a lot of cute bangles. This is what I got so far, because I do need some bracelets and stuff for like my dresses when I go out of town. These cute too as well. And I need to find some bathing suits around that area. I do need some silver stuff too, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I need some silver stuff. It's cute. Okay, how much is this? $12.99. Not bad. That's what I thought. I need more silver stuff though. But these were not too bad too. These were like very simple. I'm looking for extra because I'm extra. Y'all, this is so cute. I have a green one like this. I'm definitely getting this. This might match my outfit. Ooh, yeah, I'm definitely getting this. Yeah, I'm getting all the little. I need to fix my jewelry and stuff at the crib. Like, you know, I need to fix this. I got more space. These are cute too. Okay. These are cute too, y'all. Beautiful. These are real cute. I like these. Not so bad at all. Y'all, this is like, it's hard to find bathing suit. I might just go in Fashion Nova. All the cute ones are always in the small size, the small section. About the suckers. This is cute, y'all. I like these. They're real cute. Okay. And my hair's gonna be up though, or whatever, but it's still cute just in case if I need to go to the water. I don't want to wet it. Y'all, I love these pants. It's cute. I got a dick. Jesus. Look at that arch though. Okay, it's comfortable. This like fit perfectly. Nice. Look at that booty though. It's real cute. Let me do these, y'all. Got some bathing suits. It's cute. Hopefully they fit. You feel me? They extra large. I need space. I made it, y'all boys, to my sister's house. My niece about to do my hair, nails, and redo my color of my feet. Because the pink, I made it too pink. It's too bright. I mean, I could have changed it, but like, let me just change it. I could have changed out the place, but I'm like, whatever. Let me just let her do it. Put a little French tip. You feel me? I just wanted my feet rub and clean. But yeah, y'all boys. Girl looking snatched, looking good. Ooh, don't mind me. I got to shave my arm, but whatever. See ya soon. I made it, guys. She's back. Another year later.
Every year.
We prepping the wig. I'm doing like a maintenance vlog. Ooh.
You want me to cut your nails down?
Yeah, girl, do what you gotta do. Yeah, make it right. Y'all book by me. Yeah.
My other one broke. Your nails probably gonna take like 2 hours to do. Hey,
ooh, Jesus.
That's my friend car right there.
Oh, child. We ran out of glue, child. We gotta get the glue. We out of here. She's driving, guys. Yeah. Passenger princess. Got me on there. Stop sign. You're doing great. They fixing the road. Go home now, y'all. We got our stuff. We got the crazy glue. I only got 2 fingers. Me and Brown were ready.
Oh my God, my bro.
I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Now Julio make me fool for you. Now I hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these bitches and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic. All the sex on replay. Running back like a DJ. Feel on your face while you eat that. Tryna make a bad bitch behave. I would just wait for you. But still wait for you. Thinking I would wait for you. You met them down, Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and nice shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic. Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling your dramatics. All in your acrobatics. You know I want to stay. Tell me to throw it backwards. Let them down, Julio made me a fool for you. And I still hit your phone up with the rah-rah-rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic. Turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Now Julio made me a fool for you. Now I hit your phone up with that
Alright, girl. Makeup thing, I said makeup. Hair and nails done by Bday.
Ooh, they blinging. The hair is cutesy.
It's cutesy. Got a little side part. Woo. Woo. So, I'm at Ross right now, y'all, but y'all can finally really see the hair color and styles. Like the lighting is cute though. I look like a little girl, but yeah, makeup and hair done. I can say makeup, nails and hair by my niece. Yeah, book. Okay, it's cute. Like, comment, subscribe. It's the end of the maintenance vlog. I gotta buy a quick little dress, but y'all stay tuned for the next vlog. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all soon. Bye.